Family and friends are gathering in Hot Springs tonight to say goodbye to Edis Miller.
She's one of 3 people who died in a boating accident on Lake Hamilton on Labor Day weekend. I spoke to her daughter, who told me that she wishes she can go back and tell her mom that she loves her one last time.
Ari Miller says her mom, 44-year-old Edis Miller, changed her life for the better when she adopted her at 8 years old. However, Miller says her life changed again after she got a call from her mom's coworkers on Labor Day weekend.
And it just really set something off. So I checked Facebook and I was seeing all these posts about a boating accident, all of these things. I remembered, my mom and her boyfriend had gone out the night before. So I checked her location and it showed she was still in the lake. And then I called her and her boyfriend, and it just went straight to voicemail.
Arkansas Game and Fish says her mom, Edis Miller, 50-year-old Justin Hall, and 36-year-old Andrew Eason died in a boating accident on Sunday, August 31st on Lake Hamilton. Officials say 2 boats collided and 1 person died instantly. It took divers time to find the operator and passenger on the other boat. Several people were injured.
I guess the coworker and the game warden were pretty close, so they came to talk to me themselves, and they let me know that she was missing. And pretty much what was going through my mind is they said they're going to find her, but I was just thinking, like, she's such a water bird. She's been on any type of water, lake, ocean her whole life. So my thing is, if she were able to be found, she would have already been found by now.
Miller tells Channel 7 that she saw her mom the day before the accident.
Something told me to go to the house and see them. So I listened to that little instinct and I drove there. My mom was taking a nap because she had just worked that morning and they were supposed to go out on the lake that evening. But for some reason, I bothered her while she was napping, and she gave me a hug, and we just pretty much talked about I was going to be also going to the lake with some friends.
Miller started a GoFundMe to help pay for funeral expenses for her mom and to help her pay for college. But the main thing she wants is to go back and hug her mom one last time.
I wish I could go back and just sit there and hug her and listen to whatever she has to say to me instead of having to express my opinion back. And I don't think people realize that.
Well, right now she's raised a little more than $19,000 with a $24,000 goal. If you would like to donate, head over to our website at KATV.com.